I'm the Mainly DIY Mom. Today we are Today we are installing an access panel in the sheetrock. And you could do this for a number of reasons. Maybe you need to get access to some plumbing or some ductwork or some electrical. In this case, we need access to a crawl space under the eaves. So let's get at it. So here we have a temporary access panel in this wall. And what we're going to do is make it bigger because there's a great big crawl space back here. And that way we'll be able to use it for storage, and there's some insulation that needs to be fixed in there. So I have to be able to get in there anyway. So I'm going to install this 14 by 29 access panel door. It's a flush mount to the wall. It's paintable. It will be hidden behind a dresser. So this will be perfect for this application. So this panel is on a hinge, so it swings open, and you can have it open to the left or the right, depending which way you install it. And you just pry it open with a screwdriver in these 3 slots. 17. My 32. I flipped the panel and put the front side of the panel against the wall to trace the outside of it onto the wall with a pencil, and then I measured inside to that inside edge, transferred that measurement for the inside edge onto the wall, and that will be my cut line. Completely optional, but I put in a 2x4 for some extra strength, just because the access panel is plastic and we may be putting some items in there, and I just wanted the extra strength. These pieces of wood are just to build out the wall flush with a sheetrock, because when you put the panel on, you attach it with construction adhesive, and it needs something, to attach it to. There's lots of options for cutting the sheetrock. You could use an oscillating multi-tool or a reciprocating saw, or as you can see sitting on the carpet there, I had a drywall saw. I used a utility knife. It's a small opening, and it made a clean cut without a lot of dust. So it works. Last but not least, construction adhesive around the edge of the panel. This is what holds it onto the wall. So it's a super easy job, as you can see. Just a little bit of planning and lots of construction adhesive. Give it 24 hours and you're good to go.